Hello, my Beko washing machine is stuck. It shows E18 error.
What happened just before your Beko washer displayed this message?
I added cloths in it. Set the machine to 12 o'clock for cycle. Clicked start, but it won't start.
How long has this been going on with your Beko washer? What have you tried so far?
I tried on and off.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. Sorry to hear you are having trouble with your washer. Let's see if I can help you on this. E18 error code is just an anti-balance error code. This won't stop the washer from working. If the washer isn't starting, then a few things can cause this. You have the door lock, the control board, and worn carbon brushes in some models can cause this. When you start it, will the door lock so you cannot open it? If so, then it may be worn brushes in the motor. So you need to remove the motor from the back of the washer, and at the back of the motor are the carbon brushes. Remove these and see if they have worn. If so, then you need to replace them. But if the door isn't locking at all, then it may be the door lock itself or the control board. The first thing I would be changing is the door lock and see how it goes from there. Regards.
I can open the door. It's not locked.
Okay, if it's not locking, then it may be an issue on the door lock here, I'm afraid, if it's not starting at all.
E18 is related to start and pause error as well.
No, E18 just means the washer has anti-balanced at some point. It will have stored the code in there. It's nothing to do with the start and pause on these.
How can I rectify? Is there any test to check or confirm this error?
Can you post the model number of your washer, please?
Beko WM 85135LW.
Okay, this is just a PTC door lock, so there isn't much to test on it. But if you disconnect the wiring on the lock, there will be 3 tags. Use your meter and test between them, and you should get a reading between 2 of them. But to be honest, even if you get a reading, the lock can still be faulty. As normally for a fault like this, it's a case of replacing the door lock. But I would also remove the control board on this and see if there is any signs of burning on there.
Okay, I will remove the control board to test. Just to give you brief idea, when I turned on washing machine, it was on different program. Then I reset it to 12 o'clock for cotton cycle. Added cloths, closed the door and clicked start. Nothing happened after that. He tried switching off for a day, unloading machine. Also tried to enter test mode by clicking on and start button. I can only see E18 error on the screen.
I've attached the flow chart and service test manual on this for you. Have a look through this and see if you try a test cycle and see how it goes.
Could you share service test manual as well? I clicked on start and on button to enter test mode. I saw the error E18 and I can see test display after that. But when I clicked on start button to enter test mode, it won't go through. Nothing happened.
That's all that's listed on this model, I'm afraid. I will try a different model and see if it brings up a better manual on there. But in order for the test mode to start, the door has to lock. If it doesn't, then it cannot run the test cycle. So if it's a faulty lock, then this can be why it's not doing the test cycle.
If you have a service test manual for different model, please share it with me.
Leave it with me and I will try and find one for you. I found this YouTube video online, so not sure if you have seen it, as it shows how to run the test cycle. Click here, but as I said, this has to have a working door lock for the test cycle to start. If it's a faulty door lock, then it won't actually start the test cycle.
I replaced it with new door lock, but it didn't work.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.